Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into an exciting tool from Google, which is Google AI Studio. If you are interested in AI, especially generative AI, this is something you don't want to miss. Google AI Studio is a web-based platform built on Gemini, Google's advanced AI model, and designed to help developers to prototype applications using natural language prompt without the need for extensive coding. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In order to see the real power of Google AI Studio, let's create one Java project and write a basic code, and we will interact with the Google AI Studio and see what Google AI Studio can help us. So first of all, open IntelliJ. Here create a new project. Give any name and create a empty project. So this is the empty project. So create a new class. So we created main class, and here create a main method. So here let's create one array list having string objects. Import the required interfaces and classes. Add few string objects in this list. So we added few languages names in the array list. Now iterate this array list using the iterator. And print all the names of added technologies. So we created one array list and added few string objects, and these objects are basically the name of the languages and frameworks. Then using the iterator, we iterated this array list and fetch the objects from the array list and printed on the screen. So save the changes, execute the application and see the output. So in the output window, we can see all the languages and framework names. So this is a one part. We created a simple code. Now using this code, we will interact with the Google AI Studio and we'll see what a Google AI Studio can do for us. Let's open the browser. So type here Google AI Studio. Second link, Google AI Studio, that we can use. So directly Google AI Studio open for me because I already logged in the Google AI Studio. If you are logging in first time, then it will ask credentials, or using the Gmail account, you can sign up with Google AI Studio. Once you logged in, this dashboard will come. So here in the left side, there is a create prompt stream real time. So choose stream real time, and from right side under the output format, there are two way, text and audio. If I choose audio, then this Google AI Studio will respond me in the audio, but here I will use text because I have some prompts and questions to Google AI Studio. In the response, I need some code. That's why I'm using here output format as a text. So see in the bottom, there is a start recording and select video source. So here click on start recording and here choose the screen. So choose the screen where your IntelliJ is open. Hi, can you see my screen? Okay, so I shared a screen and it's having one Java code. Can you please review my code and find out the bugs in this code? So guys, we can see this Google AI Studio reviewed my code, and first of all it explaining me what my code is doing, and then it give the analysis it did. So as per analysis, it's saying there is no error handling, so handle the errors, then comment the code, then use the naming convention. Wonderful. Okay, now let's give another prompt to Google AI Studio. I written the code in old style. Can you rewrite the code using lambda expressions? See guys, how much it is fast. So it rewritten my code using the lambda expression, and also given me the explanations as well. As it said in the first point, this is a key part where basically it added the lambda expression using the for each, and also suggesting me the advantages of using lambda expression. Okay, perfect. Let's provide another prompt to this Google AI Studio. I used system.out.println to display on the console. Can you please add the logger? See guys, it rewritten the code and added the logger, created the object of logger at class level, and here it is added the logger along with my system.out.print, and also given me the explanations as well, advantages of logging. Great. Okay, let's provide another prompt to Google AI Studio. I added the string objects in the array list manually. Can you please take the input from the user and add the string objects in the array list? It added the scanner and taken the input from the user, and in the for loop it's getting the input from the user and adding the objects in the list, and then printing objects using the lambda expression. Great job. Let's try another prompt. I have written whole code in the main method. Can you segregate the code using different methods if possible to segregate the code? So guys, it rewritten the code. So it created one initialize text list method which is responsible to initialize the array list and adding the various objects, and it created another method display text list which is only responsible to iterate the provided list and display the values on the screen. So guys, we can see nowadays how much it is helpful for the developers, how many complicated tasks Google AI Studio making very easy for the developers. So using Google AI Studio we can do a lot. So guys, just sign up Google AI Studio and try various prompts and play with your code.